Hiya, I'm Stu, the older backpacker, and I'm still in Guatemala City. Now, in the previous video I did say that there's a lot of backpackers try to stay away from this place, but I'm still here and I'm going to be here for about a week because there's so much to do and see. So this morning I went to the other side of town to try and find some AirPods, but unfortunately I was unlucky. But on the way back I decided to take an Uber motorbike back to the Airbnb, and this is the journey I had, and it shows you just how modern Guatemala City is and how clean it is. It's a new day, it's a new day for adventure. So we've come out and we're off to see something new. And this looks like the biggest wind chime I've ever seen. So this is one of the places to go to in Guatemala City, and it's the Relief Map showing you the whole of Guatemala. The area itself is so beautiful on a blue sky, sunny day. And the map itself is quite impressive. So this was built in 1904. It's been updated twice in the last century, and it just shows you every single town, every single mountain that Guatemala has. So already we're trying to find places that we've been to already. So you got Rio Dulce, Morales, Puerto Barrios, and this is a viewpoint from above and the whole of Guatemala. I feel like a god. So the beauty of this map is I can actually plan my journey for the next couple of weeks and go, oh, let's go there. And this is the view from the other side. Now usually all the lakes and the rivers would be filled with water, but unfortunately they have a water pipe problem today. When you consider you're in a busy city, it is just so peaceful and quiet. And who knew Guatemala had a big thing for baseball? And this is the stadium. just to being allowed in. Quite impressive. So we've not long been back. We've been to the Airbnb for a quick coffee, and now we're heading to the Palace of Culture. Now, doing a bit of Googling last night, I found out this is actually a museum as well. So we're gonna have a look in, see what there is. So that's us back from the Palace of Culture, back in the Airbnb, and it was interesting. The whole tour was in Spanish, so I didn't understand a word of it, but it was an interesting building. I did find out that it had been destroyed or partially destroyed by a earthquake a few years back, and they spent a lot of money redoing it up. This is the second video from Guatemala City. We've got one more to do before we go on our merry way to another place. But for now, if you like this video, press the like button, and if you want to subscribe and see what the next adventure will be, press subscribe. But until then, bye bye.